We've got another update at the laundromat. We started building our wall around our dryers. I've got a couple washers in here, some 60s. We framed up our bathrooms. We've got a little door to go behind these 4 stacked dryers. We're gonna have our water heaters on this back wall. Just right here, we're just gonna have some tankless right there. Mop sink, bathroom, seating and tables all around the outside. We've got a hallway, back exit door, some more dryers. Here's a door to get behind the dryers. Get out of there. This is what kids do. We'll have a door here, some shelves. We're gonna vent out this back wall. For these 75-pound dryers, we're gonna vent through the roof. And one second. We've got our 100-pound washer. I think I'm gonna vent it at least $12. We'll have to see. I'm gonna have 2 of those, and then I've got some 380s are gonna go in. But we're getting closer.